Hey, good morning and welcome back to another quick edition of Diary of a Handyman. I'm on my way. It's Monday morning. It's going to be a little hot outside. I'm putting up some really fancy shutters on the front of a house today, which I will show you in a little bit. But I just wanted to talk for a real brief moment about the false appearances of social media. And now that I'm creating this vlog, I have a tendency to want to give you my best. I want to smile and hopefully bring a smile to your face. But I don't want you to get the false impression that I'm like a man of steel and happiness and popularity and I'm making a ton of money and then I'm famous or anything like that, because my least favorite thing about social media is that it helps people have the appearance of having it all together, having success, fame, and money, which I believe are not healthy pursuits. So with my vlog, my intention is not to try and show you success, money, and fame. My goal is just to be myself and teach you how to do a few things. You're probably not going to learn a lot on the vlog. You're probably going to have to go to my longer videos that explain how to do things, because in 3 minutes I don't really have time to teach you a whole lot. But I do want to show you what's possible. And today I'm going to put up some shutters, and I hope that wherever you're at in life, and no matter whether today is a good day or a bad day, I hope you're taking good care of yourself, putting good things in your body, and putting good things in your brain. And that's it. We'll see you in a few. So, some days you got to be flexible, because here I am driving home early because one half of the couple that owns the house that I'm working on didn't like the way the first shutter looked when I put it up. I'm changing these shutters out from permanent screwed-in shutters to hinged shutters, which are way more tricky and fancy to install. Got the first one up. She said she didn't like it, and I decided to pack up my tools and go home. I politely excused myself and left because it seemed like her and her husband need to have a chat about what these new shutters are supposed to look like. They look a lot different than the old shutters. The way that they hang, the way that they're supposed to swing and close and all that stuff. And I'm just grateful that I'm not a temperamental biatch at this point in my life. I was like, hey, you know what? Sounds like you and Brad, her husband, need to have a chat, and it'd probably be good for you guys to talk before I go any further. And I don't want to continue to put things up and have you not be happy with them. So chances are I'm going to get a phone call tonight where the husband tells me that he and his wife had a talk. He explained everything to her. She didn't know what was going on. And could you come back and continue? That's what I think is going to happen. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for joining me on Diary of a Handyman, where you didn't get to see any work today. I was planning on showing you a couple of brand new shutters and how they look different than the others. But anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I hope you have a good night. Bye-bye.